Welcome to e-commerce. Cloud has recently launched Cloud Design, which is very powerful tool for generating mockups. Previously, business owners do hire UI UX and designers to design their website mockups. Once they get a beautiful design designed by the designers, they hire the developers to develop that layout. We see this type of websites. This is quite high-end websites, and all are built using the designers first, and then they hire the developers to develop this type of supplement stores. So if you are looking to build high end supplement store design and then looking to build it using a Shopify store, this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started with Cloud Design, and let's first design the website high end wireframe. Okay, so we have to be on this link. Just write this link and hit the enter. You will be here on the Cloud Design page. Once you are here, what you have to do is you have to write your name, like your brand name. I will simply write it supplement store. Once I write it, then if you have your brand assets like the logo, the color, all the things, you have to select this option. But I have nothing for now. Just select this wireframe and let's create our first prototype. Let just click on this create button. Once hit on this create button, it will open the design file section. Here you are able to add the screenshots, add your code base, and drag in Figma file. Do not worry if you have nothing, just leave it and just paste the screenshots over this supplement store, like this one, this supplement store. Just copy this screenshot, take screenshot and paste it in the Figma file. And here you are able to attach the file. You are able to import your complete resource file or asset file, or you are able to draw the sketch over here, or simply you are able to prompt this Google Design. It will handle everything itself. So let's go to ChatGPT, and from there we will get a beautiful prompt. I have already created a prompt. You can use GPT, the Cloud Chat, or Gemini. You can use any AI chat tool to create a beautiful prompt. We can copy it, go back to this Cloud Design, and simply paste it over here. So all the prompt has been pasted. You can modify it according to your requirement. You can attach your asset files and then click the send button. Okay, once clicked on it, it will start thinking and will start generating the design, the wireframe of your supplement store. Once we get the file, and then we are able to do a follow-up prompts, or we are able to design it. Now it's asking some questions according to our business, like if what's the name of your supplement brand store, and what's the fidelity level, what's the accent color you want to choose, and some other options. If you do not have anything or are confused about all these details, what you have to do is simply copy it and paste it on GPT. Once you are on GPT, paste it over here and hit the enter button. I already get this prompt and an answer to this one. So for an instance, let me write the name and fill out all the details. For the answer, let brand name, I wrote Viron Labs, and if I scroll back, it's asking for the fidelity level, like this one. Let me select this one, and if I scroll down, just select this one for now. And if I scroll down, there is an option for how should I lay out pages. If you are confused, you can use GPT to give follow-up prompts and get best answer according to your requirement. So simply I will select this one and paste it in others option. And if I scroll down, it's asking that how many variations per page. If I scroll down, GPT suggested this one. Simply copy it and paste it in this version, and let me fill all the details according to GPT. Here it is asking which screen matters most. So if you have any other requirement, you can write like home page, product page, collection page, card page, or you can simply select all these options. Just like let me select it this one all equally. If I scroll down, it's asking for the motion, like some animation effect. So let me go to GPT and check what he's saying. And so let's copy this one and then paste it over here. Once pasted, let's, oh, sorry, paste it over here. Let me remove this one. Copy it down of placeholder headlines. For this, let me go to the GPT, copy this one, and then paste it over here. Product categories you show. If you have any product categories like muscle performance or some vitamins, you can write. I will simply select this one, or let me go back to GPT, copy this one, and then paste it over here. And it's asking that what do you want to adjust once it design the wireframe, like you want to customize the color, you want to customize the accent color, density, hero variant cycle, all these options. Simply go to GPT, it will suggest the best option. Copy this one and then write it within other tab. If I scroll down, it's asking for this one. Let me copy it and paste it over here and then hit the continue button. Once hit the continue button, the design system is the one nobody notices. So it's a nice tip, and it will take some time to generate a design. Okay, so here at left, there is an option to see the progress of our wireframe generation. Right now it is scrambling or outputting the wireframe files. So we have to wait and we will get back once it's get ready. Okay, so the cloud design is ready for our supplement based website. We have choose this color and it's showing perfectly fine. If I click on this, let me view it on a new tab. If I open it, it will show it within new tab. This way we are able to view it perfectly. It's a hero section. We have given command while generating a uh, wireframe that it should have an option of customizable. So it has given an option for the split or the stack version. If I switch it to split, which I think is better, it helps in saving space. Here we are able to add the supplement image, and if I scroll down, there is an option for some features or some of the offers related to your supplement store. If I scroll down, there is an option for product featured collection. If I scroll down, and I remember we have also given the command that it should have an option for the customization settings, and it's from here we are able to adjust it to frame or floating. And let me scroll down to see the other. This is another product feature section, and here is the testimonial section. And if I scroll down, it's the footer. So it's pretty nice that we have generated a very nice layout with just using one single prompt or no follow up prompts. If I click on this product, it will open up the product page. If I scroll down, there is an option for the subscription. All is working perfectly. And here we are able to show the stars or the reviews, a great testimonial part. And if I scroll down, it shows the protein level, the sugar, the flavor, and all the product features. From here, we are able to adjust the uh, quantity. The stock will get updated dynamically. Here we are able to click on the add to cart, and it will the product will get added. And if I scroll down, a nice option for product description part, the reviews part, the how to use part, the ingredients description, all is pretty managed very nicely. If I scroll down, there is an option for the products that might customers also purchase. If I scroll up to the collection page, this is a very nice collection page with all the filters at left side, and at right we see three products, a nice grid. And if I scroll up, it shows all the options, the mobile version of the website, and everything is pretty customizable, and we can set it from here, like the tweak settings. And from here we are able to set it, or if you want to make any further adjustments, scroll back to this version, and then here you can simply type it. Or if you have any question related to the wireframing or the mockups designing, you can reach me out. And if you are looking to develop your wireframes or mockup exactly similar to that generated using a cloud designs, or if you have a Figma layout and you want to get the services of the developer, you can hire our agency ecomranks.net. I will leave its link within the description. You can reach us out. Thanks for watching.